Did you know Rome almost came back, and a single ship stopped it? By the 550s AD, Emperor Justinian had done the impossible. He had recaptured North Africa, Italy, and parts of Spain. The Mediterranean was almost Roman again. Scholars at the time genuinely believed the empire was being reborn. Then a grain ship docked in Egypt. It was carrying something invisible and devastating. The plague of Justinian tore through the empire like nothing before it. Somewhere between 25 and 50 million people died. Justinian himself caught it. He survived, but he was never the same. His treasury collapsed. His armies shrank. The generals he had sent to hold the new territories had no money, no reinforcements, and no hope. Within a generation, everything he had won was gone. The Western Empire never came back. The world that grew from those ruins became medieval Europe, not a restored Rome. And the thing that sealed that fate was not a battle lost or a war won. It was a shipping route.